So I've realized that a lot of ideas in software engineering, while they can be quite clever, they're actually quite intuitive. In fact, I think that many people, regardless of their computer backgrounds, can actually grasp and really appreciate a lot of the new advances in software engineering if you just filter out some of the jargon. We're here to test out that theory. Welcome to the Casual Coder. Today, we're going to be talking about GraphQL. Now, for some of you, that might bring to mind SQL, also pronounced as SQL, but GraphQL actually has nothing to do with that. GraphQL is a fairly new system for getting data from a server to your app, website, or wherever else that you need data. To explain GraphQL, we're going to be talking about groceries. Imagine if your grocery shopping looked like this. Oh, hey Josh, while you're at the store, can you pick up some groceries for me?
Yeah, no problem. What do you need?
Oh, just the usual Monday set.
Hey, I'm back. Got everything that you need.
Oh, awesome, thanks. All right, nice. Okay, I'll take this, and this, and this, and I don't need the rest, so... Pretty wasteful, but that's kind of what we did before GraphQL. Here's another example. Oh, hey Josh, can you grab me some peanut butter?
Yeah, sure thing. Hey, I got your peanut butter.
Oh, awesome, just what I need. Can
No
you
problem.
actually go back and grab me some jelly now?
What? Jelly? Why didn't you ask me the first time?
I needed to make sure you brought back the peanut butter first.
Here you go.
Ah! No bueno. All right, last one. Oh, hey Josh,
Yes.
can you grab me some Coke? Help me wash down these chips.
Sure, I can get you some Coke. Here you go.
Thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
I have this bottle, but I really only know how to drink Coke out of a can. I know. Good thing I still have this. All right, let's do this. Oops. Oh, hey Josh, can you grab...
No!
One of GraphQL's major advantages is that it helps prevent overfetching and underfetching. Overfetching is like when Josh brought back groceries that I didn't actually need. Underfetching is like when Josh brought back peanut butter only for me to send him back in a separate trip to pick up jelly. Overfetching and underfetching waste data, which might especially matter if you're on a mobile data plan. They waste time because of the multiple trips. They waste battery because of the extra processing. And they can also put unnecessary load on the server. In the grocery example, me sending Josh back in a separate trip means that everybody else in the grocery store now needs to wait behind one more person in the checkout line. The reason these problems exist is your server might know how to give you back a certain kind of data, but what happens if it's not 100% exactly what your app or your website needs at this point in time? This might happen if you have a new feature on your app or website that you haven't updated the server to perfectly handle yet. With GraphQL, you're actually able to ask for exactly the data that you need, so that you're not throwing away unnecessary data, and you also don't need multiple unnecessary trips, like with the peanut butter and jelly, to get multiple pieces of data back at the same time. It's flexible like that. The last example we haven't quite talked about yet is the Coke example. What's going on in that third example? Well, surprisingly enough, today sometimes data that's used in one place in the app is not interchangeable with it being used in another place in the app, even when it's the exact same underlying data. Let me explain what I mean with a hypothetical example. Let's say your friend has just posted a new status update on Facebook. Now, you would think that when you see this status update in your newsfeed, that the data representing that status update is the same as when you see that same status update in their profile page. But strangely enough, that's actually not the case all the time. In many instances today, you might actually need to do some sort of translation to convert it. But in GraphQL, you have standardized data models so that they can be shareable and interchangeable everywhere. Conceptually, a status update in your newsfeed should be the same as a status update on your profile page, right? So that's the quick lesson for today. Hope it helps. See you all next time.